We've got a oil change reset on a 2016 ES350. First steps first, we're going to turn the vehicle on, engine off. So we're going to have 2 clicks to the start-stop button. And wait for the menu to come up. We're going to see that maintenance is required. Please visit your dealer. No need to visit dealer, because what we're going to do here is actually scroll through the pages option on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and we're going to go over to the right all the way to settings. Vehicle settings. We're going to go to oil maintenance and reset data. Data has been reset. If you have scheduled maintenance as well, you can reset it as well.